This song come up from Madam Sidratu Aminata Kamara from the United States of America. It dedicated this song to one of the biggest organizations in the world. Weird.
Yeah, made a crack on the mix.
91 big boy Pekin.
H never tap see the ball.
Daily base
091.
Yellow flag TVs.
Hallelujah.
Come on.
We are the organization. Don't come for every nation. We are the organization. Don't come for promote the nation. They know they mix my politics. They know they part tribalism. They know they mix my politics. Yeah. They know they part no tribalism.
This now we hard. Duck and now we land. So la we all and fine. This now we hard. Duck and now we land. So la we all and fine. Who know they back kapu kapu? We had no mix bag bamu bamua. We know they back kapu kapu. We had no mix bag bamu bamua. Go tell the brother sister them say we are don't come over.
We are now we are.
Tell them for we, tell them for me say we are don't come over.
We are now we are. We are the organization. Don't come for every nation. We are the organization. Don't come for promote the nation. They know they mix our politics. They know they part tribalism. They know they mix our politics. Yeah. Tribalism.
Big respect to the one who will make Weird team up strong one. Especially to you, by Bure Kablai from the north. And to you, Shenge Pierre from the south. Admi Amina, happy birthday in advance to you, by Bure Kablai from the north. You celebrate your birthday January. Happy birthday in advance to you, Shenge Pierre from the south. You celebrate your birthday December. This organization, the 3 years, December 2022. We dey tell who members them all over the world, thank you. Yeah.
We are the organization. Don't come for every nation. We are the organization. Don't come for promote the nation. They know they mix our politics. They know they part tribalism. They know they mix my politics. Yeah. They know they part no tribalism. Let me tell you, wait till we are gonna do for me. They no change life inside the world country. Number one, they feed the poor. They build houses for the affected members for the flooding. Number two, they pay school fees. But you find the way them people them evil alone disaster. The people them, we are don't come for help everybody in this country. They know they for politics, neither tribalism. We are the organization. We are the organization. Don't come for every nation. We are the organization. We are the organization. Don't come for promote the nation. Politics. They know they mix our politics. They know they part tribalism. They know they mix our politics. Yeah. They know they part no tribalism. We are the organization. Yeah.
God build music.
We are Voice of the Poor. This song come up from Madam Sidratu Aminata Kamara from the United States of America. It dedicated this song to one of the biggest organizations in the world. Weird.
Yeah, made a crack on the mix.
91 big boy Pekin.
H never tap see the ball.
Daily base
091.
Yellow flag TVs.
Hallelujah.
Come on.
We are the organization. Don't come for my politics. They know they part tribalism. They know they mix my politics. Yeah. They know they part no tribalism.
This now we hard, don't can now we land. So la we all and fine. This now we hard, don't can now we land. So la we all and fine. Who know they back kapu. We had no mix bag bamu. We know they back kapu. We had no mix bag bamu. But tell the brother sister them say we had don't come over.
We had now we are.
Tell them for me say we had don't come over.
We had now we are. We had organization. Don't come for every nation. We had organization. Don't come for promote the nation. They know they mix our politics. They know they part tribalism. They know they mix our politics. Yeah. They know they part no tribalism.
Big respect to the one who will make we are team up strong one. Especially to you, by Bure Kablai from the north. And to you, Shenge Pierre.
Fambole muna kushe nuna adu. We are don't come back till they for come talk about things where they happen. Now we on sweet yards and low. Now we oh, let we left for do them bad things them. We they feel a most alone. Now we oh, we are. And if we hurt you, we sorry. We no mean bad, oh, we just want for make we are go before. If we hurt you, we sorry. We no mean bad, oh, we just want for make we are go before. Family Kushe and Cabo, how they go? Well, how things then they happen as usual as always. Na so we dey run out unto you for let you able for know exactly wetin na the thing we don't go on. Even though we certain things and the things can be difficult, but we can really try as best as possible for bring news come to you for let you know say this thing na really dey happen. Well, we all remember the November 26th issue, who say they may arrest some people where they may allege, where they may say they mix par one alleged failed coup where they happen on the 26th of November. Well, today we get to understand say about 11, and Koita, or we say Koita and 11 other one them, they don't charge them go court. They don't appear for the first time na court. But for let we get better information as to waiting this day about and waiting are the things that we they charge them for. Do ya share the program? Let other person not left behind. We just come for make a quick and then we get your opinion into waiting we don't see they go on. So first of all, let we go quick one at the Ministry of Information and Civic Education. Let me watch waiting they say. They just put listing today when January 2, 2024. They say Koita and 11 other one them, they don't charge them for treason and other offense them. I will try for see if I able for put some of the words them pan Creole so we can understand and fine one. They say Salome today don't charge Amadou Koita and 11 other one them. Where inside there they get ex-police, then get person where be the work now the correctional center where you say the prison or you say prison officer. Inside there, you get other people for where they play role inside the November 26, 2023 failed coup. So they charge them where they charge them with, then say they charge them for treason. That's now where you go, you commit crime against the state. And they call treason. And the other one they call them misprision of treason. That's now where you say this thing where you go do so, na treason. But still, you deliberately go and do am. You by power go do am. Power you say you do am. Even when you say the thing where you do so, it will lead to treason, you still go for do am. Then charge them for that one day. Then charge them for waiting and say abhorring. That's now where they notice say, this policy also. Now where you then keep am. Na some side, they help them for keep am either na bet, They help them for keep them, and they help them for do other things them. That's how they help the enemy them for do certain things them, according to the state. And plenty other one them. And they say they charge them for. They say 11 accused person them. The one that way they accuse say mixed by the November 26 attempted failed coup. 11 of them then go today before magistrate Santigi Bangura. Now magistrate court number 2 inside Freetown. They say one of the accused person them where na by Mahmoud Bangura he not be able to go because he not well. The report say he not well. And presently, as we talk, so according to the time they write this one, they say he admit na the Kimpton Police Hospital. So the case they don't adjourn them. They don't adjourn them. In other words, they don't say we can sit down back by this case on the 9th of January 2020. Okay, the Ministry of Information and Civic Education. Now I know say they're not even up to the task. They say 9th of January 2023. This is now from the Ministry of Information in Comots. So hold on here. Let's search for something quickly. Just hold on quickly. Let's search for something. Let me search for something quickly. Just hold on. Let's search for something quickly. Let's search and let's be sure of waiting with the say. Hold on. No rush. Hold on. Okay, they don't change them. They don't change them because this one 3 hours ago. So they actually don't change them. They don't put them now the 9th of January 2024. Yeah, but in the beginning they say 2023. Some of them minor mistake there. They're not for the make the common and the public at all. But the bottom line are all of the information correct from waiting at the read. Now just that they make that mistake there where they put 2023 instead of 2024. So we catch up with that day and then kind of minor mistake there. They're not for the makeup, especially in waiting they consider for being capital offense. So they're not for the makeup at all. That's stupidity to the highest degree. And for the make sure say they read and proofread. For some of you when a one-man business, a two-man business, we can understand. But a whole government, when they get their own communication experts them, then for the make sure say they read, proofread, watch again before ever and pull statements na do. They know we don't pull one for we, then they come back, they can correct and pull out and stupidity to the highest degree. So next time please, make sure say make sure put some things them in order. Minor mistake not for the day na government documents like this. So we continue. They say they will appear on the 9th of January 2024, and all accused person, all of the people that were accused, they all get people them where represents them. All of them get legal and people them. In other words, they get people that where say na lawyer them where represents them na this particular issue. Okay, so other people that where they say na accused people them, and then they expect say they for charge them anytime inside the days they are soon. So the Ministry of the Ministry will make sure they continue for the provide updates, on the investigation and the effort for make sure say they make Justice Day. And then bring one away responsible for the atrocity we happened on the 26th of November 2023. They all bring them come to justice. This is now from the Minister of Information and Civic Education, Republic of Sierra Leone. So now the same thing there. So now just the dates now they don't change again. Okay. So at the same thing, next time just that I minus something I won't check maybe, but just that at a time like this, they're not for the make any kind of mistake they because they go make mistake just not for kill person, they say a mistake, they don't change their back. Government like this, the whole government not a social club, where we say a few people they know more the right. This like whole government where get serious people the way they say get degrees them, so there's no small mistake then. But anyway, now we go to the issue better one. Other people and they don't put things them together, where they consider for be the facts, and then think they are where they put some people right. They say it go responsible for the breakdown of the country. In other words, sorry. sorry. I just to take note of the conversation around that mistake, where they send them back to the ministry. majority send them back to the ministry saying I was rush ministry, they need for the take note of certain things, they not for the make mistake. I think that the same thing we just talk about, so it's now. Okay, so we move now and go to other things. So Posting they will write an article and it says 12 face treason charges following coup plots. Yeah. And then get other things the way then people are, so some people are not right. So the thing now, first of all, we only know say that people are they go court today, or that we only know say they don't go court, they don't charge them. So they're not tell you what happen. I wonder why if the government still feel say if they tell you say that they go court, it could be tension go there, or maybe the one way they plan so you could business and wait for who attack the convoy or so. But the bottom line now, all things around right now na just secrecy. Nobody know. We not question it too much because we still wait for waiting the outcome of this particular thing to be. But something in the way I note where we don't begin to talk about the other day. You know, before even the investigation begin, we don't know waiting then they charge them people have to wait. For example, on the television or the radio, we don't hear government official them, they don't come out to the public, you know, like Koita Sardine. Where tell we say, like by Mahmoud, they meet people in an oath with other combat and other things them. So they aid and abet enemy. So bottom line now, all of the charges them where they don't give to them people have to now premeditated, not as a result of the investigation. Not as a result of the investigation at all. Now waiting, then we don't talk. If you go back to the different interviews them, the different audios them, videos them where then we don't come out to the public and pull. You will really know say all waiting government officials then we don't talk. Now in make part of this particular charges them. Nothing no different. Before the investigation, they don't come up with charges. So whatever the investigation get for lead them to, they're not important. What is very much important about now that the charges now this and now this now the whole level where the people are playing. So it's just obvious, and they don't already tamper with justice. They don't already interfere with justice. They don't already get what they want for see at the end of the day. They not allow the court for doing work at all. Well, the magistrate when they go put, they already don't tell her what they want. All of the charges them where they don't put before and not there I go try for pull anything out of that name. Because all of them things they are repeat where we don't see so now him with the yeri that they talk about. Now in all of this, you will find out say the biggest name in all of this na Koita. And for them, Koita na make the news. For them, Koita na the most powerful. For them, Koita na the mastermind. For them, Koita na the leader for all of what happen. So if you watch, when they put up in the headline, it's very clear for let them tell we say Koita and 11 others them, they don't charge them with what they call treason. So you always know say they all like I tell you in the beginning, then get people them where they already don't design the way how they want them, and then they dress the devil how they want to follow Comunado. And at them, they put the charges, and whatever charges they put at the end of the day, and that charges they go to court, and then the magistrate will get for follow. If some people and they were able to provide lawyer for themselves, and government law had to go for them, of course, what do you expect? And government is a cargo team up. What do you expect? And government they pay them at the end of the day. What do you expect? We don't see who say government they pay lawyer. The lawyer can just come for like can represent you and can register say I don't come and take in your salary or your sitting fee. Nothing seriously in order to defend, nothing in order to do. It's just to go and make sure say if you know, for let them see and say, my Lord, I agree. My Lord, this and this, my client's not this, and me, but we will plead guilty. No. But I repeat, all of waiting don't come so from the charges then, now things then this where we don't even talk about, say now in them people I don't talk. I continuously make reference to Keke Thomas and Dewey and Deputy Minister of Information, where they don't tell me about all of them charges they are so indirectly. Especially when they talk about by Mahmoud, where they ask her, I think it was 98.1, say why they actually arrest by Mahmoud. And they tell them, say, because of aid and abet. Then go they meet and uniform and other people them where they are in oaths, aboring. So waiting in at the charges. Waiting in at the charges. Now that make you find out now, say, police, not the full statement. Now only the Ministry of Information, because they don't want let police pull the right statement, then the ministry pull another one, because it begin happen in the beginning. It begin for happen where we get two different explanations. The government will come and talk this, the police or the military will talk this. So they find out say no, if we continue for making the military talk, they're not to politicians, then will create problem. We when are the politicians, let we give information we want, and let we design them how people then forget them. So they stop everybody, and at the normal they go on. If you even go further and watch the courts, the judiciary of Sierra Leone, they don't anything better. They say 11 out of 12 persons charged with treason and other related offences appeared in court today. The charges were out to them. The charges, yes, were put to them because one of the accused persons by Mahmoud Bangura was reported sick and admitted at the Kintom Police Hospital. So now listen this thing. These are the other thing. Now the Ministry of Information don't read already the charges them for we. Because this now they premeditated something, a thing where they want we the public go by. They don't read already the charges then. But the court not read the charges there, so even the one they wait and say that they commit them problem there. They don't read out this if you now all can go and watch. And I'm pretty sure say the ministry want for in the future want for stop the court again, not for the public shouting things in. Because this one make them very clear say the ministry don't tell we waiting at the charges them and not to the responsibility that day. The court now the first person for pronounce waiting at the charges them when they give. And now them is either they tell the lawyer them or they come out to them and they read the charges them. But now the ministry don't take the role of the court, don't read the charges them for let we the public know. But interestingly, this are not the same, but I just don't tell you say all of them charges there for when the ministry don't highlight. Now things then this when from when it happen, then be don't begin to talk about. Aiding and abet, abhorring, treason, and other, they don't talk about it all. So it's unfortunate for see now say the court say they not read them charges they ask to the people. They say they're not able to read the charges them to the people them where they accused because by Mahmoud Bangura, they report say well and admits that the Kintom, and police hospital inside Freetown. For sake of this, they just adjourn the matter to the 9th of January 2024. So now you begin see waiting the case get for do. And the government already don't tamper with the case, and the case not begin it. The government don't interfere and pull word and talk on the things them. The case not begin it. We see, for example, them bring certain things and come. We will come when as they unfold the matter, that's so we will count series of things them for you. The other day we tell you about one particular issue where we say the government don't already tell we waiting na the thing where they don't even investigate it. We remember the last time we talked about Chief Minister talk about Anes Baikuma. The same thing don't repeat so now. The government don't tell you about the charges. The government don't come. They don't read the charges for we. And then the court, when I get in document, I get in file, it still keep them and say and then wait for all of the accused people a day so they will read the charges to them. And it's simple, like when the court do and so. Then people also don't come to court. But we still, the court not able for sit down on the matter, or the court not able for read the charges then because so and so. But we go to continue for doing an update. It's simple as that. But they don't interfere into the work of the court. So now you don't begin to see how clear in the show say separation of powers not there again inside the country. All things right now centralized in the executive arm of government. The parliament, they consult the executive arm of government. The judiciary, they consult. Nobody know they operate independently. Now this, exactly what I tell you say, make them stop the police and the military, not for the full statement. Now it happens so. So now this same rush, this same bet, for saying, now we first talk about the thing from the Ministry of Information, nobody know for puller. Now make, instead of them go put 2023, 2024, they go put 2023. Big ministry like that, they were responsible for credible information for the government. But every day, information they misinform the people of this country. then go they make some kind minor mistake where you go say na error, na big mistake that they to the country. Imagine almost people them from the international world go don't see this first press release. Then begin ask question now. This na from the government or na from the minister no more come from. For say the government na one person or they know they actually they know they watch exactly, they know they read, they just they write what they want for write and then they rush come out with them. Rush ministry, bet ministry. Just for come and tell me what thing they want to let the court do. Now I know what they don't count now. Well, still we wait for see. I know say the court in own charges they no go different from waiting the ministry don't say. But as far as we concerned, in the court of law, this one they don't actually a contempt they call them. A contempt because you don't even go beyond. You don't talk waiting the court for talk. And the court don't even reach to that point. You don't come and rush and talk about it. And a contempt they call them. But who that would dare talk about that? The court not will ever dare talk about that. If not, ordinary salon people, now be forced talk about that, they will tell us say contempt. You don't rush and talk things the way the court for talk, and they not even reach to a conclusion yet. This like program we are on YouTube and on Facebook. We just can quickly for can make you understand waiting now the information with it right now. With regards Koita and 11 other people where the ministry, now I will safely say the ministry don't charge. And I will say the court, I will say the ministry don't charge for where, the alleged the mix coup where fail inside November 26, 2023. This type program we are on YouTube and on Facebook. So what you think about all of this and also you feel say we will reach this also you feel say this case will end up for me. Just come for make a quick and get your opinion based on what you don't see and what we don't analyze. Maybe you get another angle where you don't see already, where we not see yet. So call now and add your voice inside the program. This is a program where we call we are on YouTube and on Facebook. The line open for you to add your voice inside the program and tell me what you think about all of the things there. So bottom line now, the rush ministry don't even rush and pull word before the court. The court where I get in case not even begin talk anything yet. And not begin talk anything yet. And not begin talk anything yet, but yet still the government don't come and tell me waiting the court get for come and talk. Now we go on the line and begin take another call. We begin take call quickly. Welcome to the show, caller. Your name and where you call from?
I'm Capricia. I did call from London.
Go ahead, please. Get the platform.
Yeah, I just want to know why not just Koita in name dimension.
Yeah, because Koita are the biggest fish, they are the biggest target for them. Please reduce the volume of your text. Reduce the volume of your text.
Okay, sweetheart, I'm so sorry. I think it's a witch hunt. What do you think?
Well, we wait for see because obviously, like we say no more, the government already don't make charges without the court not even tell waiting the charges they be. So they even don't begin tap out the court in your work. And of course, now Koita are the biggest one where they want in all of this.
Okay. It's so sad though. Koita is a very nice guy. I'm heartbroken. They don't say they charge people to give them death sentence again. So why now?
Well, treason don't mean saying a death sentence. Treason means say you don't commit state offense and then you go and go fight them whether you're guilty or not. And then the court will determine the sentence will be. So right now, of course, they're not the sentence to death because we don't get anything like that inside according to the radio. So that's so sad.
Okay, darling. Thank you so much.
All right, welcome. All right, the line's still open. You can call and add the voices at the program. This that we are on YouTube and on Facebook. We'll go on the line again and take another call. Welcome to the show, caller. Your name and where you call from?
Hello?
Yes, caller, you're live.
Hello?
Caller, you're live on the platform. Your name and where you call from?
All right. My name Antonio. They call from US.
Please go ahead.
You be mentioned. Say the government they rush for 2024. They put 2023. This go just tell you say not to forget. Now people them where they desperate, they call themselves educated, but that is the reason. They don't know. They only the quest for make them destabilize the nation. That is it. And God not give them chance. Now make all them mistake here they can. So now people them they're not straightforward to the people where they rule. Then call themselves educationists, but they are not. Then desperate for let blood they flow in that country. I make God not give them no sense. Anything where they do, they always they hell upon them. When I one of this, I mean your own contribution this.
Thank you. We'll go on the line again and take another call. Welcome to the show, caller. Your name and inside the call from?
Yeah, this I call from US.
Right,
if you them people are the go ahead and come with so-called claims saying that Treason then get commit. This government, the how they which you don't right now call itself leader, you don't commit more than treason. So I don't know which thing they after, but certain they which they defend, you go get her. And by God I want to say now God now they give person to, but now God now they care. Whatever thing, as long as that the wrong thing and you do not go ever succeed. As they say, the people right now, the courts not they playing your role. And then they do all thing. Now monopoly right now salon. Everything is all about the government. For do them fishy idea there. But I got now get in decision. Nobody not able to kill anybody without God approval. And that no man.
Alright, thank you very much.
Bye.
We go on the line again and take another call. Welcome to the show, caller. Your name and inside the call from?
Hello?
Yes, we did live on We Are. Your name and inside the call from?
This not the book. Happy New Year.
Okay, happy
So I'm behind the door.
Thank God, Mama, you safe.
Thank God. Well, this issue of the mistake where we they see, I just want to make the point. I don't make the point. This point here on Twitter. This is not a mistake. This is not premeditated. Now something where they be done plan. So this letter here, the letters there, they be done right up since 2023. So now that make that 2023 they left and then publish it now. So this nothing where they don't plan, say now this will get for do. Now that make them they announce before even the court and make the announcement. Because they already don't plan and this the agenda that we might be get. So not to the court agenda, not to the justice system. Now waiting matter be want if you don't pre-plan already, now that people they see the mistakes there. So not a mistake. This is not something where they be done right before.
Alright, thank you very much. We go on the line again and take another call. Welcome to the show, caller. Your name and inside the call from? Hello, caller?
Hello?
Yes, we play live on We Are. Your name and inside the call from?
Yeah, my name Kundu Biscuits at the call.
Alright, go ahead, get the platform.
Yes, I just get your information, notification. Now say this black call in. You see, listen to this thing, they get for care about long-term future. Whatever you do na salon, it is on record. You are not there in office forever. If what you do if the charges are legitimate, it will stand the test of time. But if the charges are not legitimate and made up, is coming back to bite you. Now they in power, they do what they get for do. But if this is not legitimate, I don't care how long it get for take. This is coming back to bite them. Hello?
Yeah, we get you clear.
Yeah, this is coming back to bite them. Because you get for anything where they on record. If the anything where they on record, you are coming back, it's coming back to bite you. You know they make up kangaroo courts, you know they make up charges, you know they make up this, yeah. How possible they run common country? Don't get nothing to do with the country. Then you accuse them of trying to take over. You have to find legitimate grounds. If I'll be called, they'll be called people, you'll be called people. But if this costs the people then in time, they serve time, then they come back for bite them.
All right.
Salona, it's not a small country. I have my hand out with it. You know?
Thank you very
See
much.
me come back tonight. All right.
All right. The line is still open. You can call and add your voice to the program. This, we are on YouTube and on Facebook. Where they talk about the government, we don't pull what say, they don't charge to court, accuse people them, Koita and other people them. So government already charges them already, but the court no actually read the charges it to the people them when them they accuse. So in other words, we don't know waiting at the charges them even before the one them where they are accused. And according to this, and by the law, it's supposed to be contempt of the court because they don't jump before the court, they don't do waiting they're not supposed to do. But this now waiting they want for it to happen, and we will not see say this they can before this time. We will not even know say all of them charges there, so now ain't get to go against the people here, so we then they accuse. So this now we had. If you want to add the voice to the program, you can call and add the voice inside the program and tell me what you think and about the court about the sentence or the charges and about the adjourn because they don't adjourn them now to the 9th of January 2024. Welcome to the show. Caller, your name and where you call from.
Hello, Shagwepi. We are consulting that come from we had.
Okay,
I just want to ask me, Shagwepi, wait, are they alive?
Yes, they say going to court today. Yes.
They go to the court.
Yeah.
Somebody in the source.
Sorry.
The reality source you go to court
So
today.
the one way not going to court now by Mahmoud, and then they put and say not going to court.
Yeah, but Shagwepi, I'll confirm if Koita go court.
So that's the way our we take. Yeah. Koita, they alive and he's still there alive. It might be said that the talk
Okay,
about
thank
he's
God.
still there alive.
Okay, and thank God. Okay, now that's a main contribution no more. Thank you very much. You don't say everything. Thank you.
Yeah. Welcome to the show, caller. Your name and where you call from?
Mina Allison, I call from the US.
Okay.
Me on contribution, I believe Salon we are at a crossroads because one, we not get any entity in a Salon where you really trustworthy. The judiciary is just in a mess. The whole investigation is not carried properly, and I believe then people already arrest, and the one they already don't issue warrants for them for arrest them. They are in a kind of a bind, and I believe the government of Sierra Leone, since right now no get opposition like the APC, is nowhere to be seen. They are like a dead party. I believe they all for don't timber for really go pound on pound with the mother BO. They are not standing there. So it's like the government is just running all over the place, arresting people, doing all kind of summary death and all the kind of stuff. So the judiciary, the opposition, parliament itself will get the speaker of the house na parliament na salon na a law guy, but you know get not way for Toko for really stand for against this government, the human rights violation you do. So we are in a kind of a problem. So we are for me actually all day out of the country. We are really worried. See, one day we will really run at the risk of really having violence. We really go into kind of tribal war. So now that na me problem. Why really they really worry for Salon. So thank you so much.
All right, thank you very much. God bless you. All right, we go on the line again. The line is still open. You can call another voice inside the program. Now we get more people and views into this particular issue. Welcome to the show. Caller, your name and where you call from? Sir.
God bless you, brother. Lawrence you again from the US. Yeah, brother. Brother, me the only thing I want to ask now, what's not the way forward? Because we all know see what thing they happen. This is not about hypocrites now. You know? Because until they happen, people don't call a speed, and they harass their life now every platform when they come. What's the way forward now? Adibayo don't call so and that boy they everything where they talk, they come to pass. So what is the way forward? You know, are we gonna do something? Or are we not? Because all this body personal insanity, doing the same thing every time and expecting a different result is the definition of what? Insanity. So we don't tire. We told them call our man, they come in.
What are the way forward back? Are we gonna come together and accept the facts? Or are we gonna be pacifying things for let we get a good face out there or whatever it is? When are we gonna call a spade a spade? That's my own question. We all together. It's about time we give freedom to the people that will suffer at Salon. When they express their voice. Now let me get for say. Right. Without censors.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, brother. Yeah.
Alright, the line still open. A few more minutes to go. The line still open. You can call and add your voice inside the program. The line still open for you call and add your voice inside the program and tell me what you think about these particular charges. Yes, we did live on the platform.
Yeah, how did you out time?
Please go, are you safe?
Very well, thank you. I call from Turkey.
Okay, please go ahead.
What will they tell this government no more? Let them know say they get time, then time get for them. If right now they do them kind here, when them time reach for let them back come on a power, people then get for turn against them because what they do right now in the country, people then they suffer. They no one know. What they want to do, now they do. Look, Algeria them pull yesterday. Now don't they now not inside so. But wait till they pray God for no more, then nothing happen in the country. So for the talk, and then they are careful to say.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pale. God bless you now.
God bless you. Alright, we'll take another call quickly. Welcome to the show, caller. Your name and inside the call from? Please reduce the volume set. You're live.
Hello.
Please reduce the volume set. You're live. Please reduce the volume of the set. You're live.
Sorry. Hello?
Yes, we get to go ahead.
What do you try to say concerning what this country was going to say? Not just pray to God so that we'll get a peace. Because the way and manner and way President Dio that country did, you know, go down to where to really like diaspora. So we only pray God in the opposition, whether the APC party and the other political party, let them come together so that let peace be in the country, let respect only in that country. So my new opinion.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Go on the line and take another call. Welcome to the show, caller. Your name and inside the call from?
Mr. Kondo Biscuit again from America.
Kondo
yes, I pull up
this. You're supposed to call for the program party.
Yeah, I just pull up the Treason and State Offence Amendment of 2021. The bill when they passed 21, which says a person is guilty of treason and shall on conviction be liable to imprisonment for life, who either within Sierra Leone or elsewhere A, prepares or endeavors to overthrow the government by unlawful means, B, prepares to endeavors to carry out by force an enterprise which usurps the executive power of the state in a manner of both public or general nature. C, incites, assist a person to invade Sierra Leone with armed forces or unlawful subject to any part of Sierra Leone to attack by land, sea, air, or assist in the preparation of any such invasion, and D, in time of war and with intent to give assistance to the enemy, does an act which is likely to give such assistance. So I won't say they get serious charges against that guy. We go with, within this lawyer, because but once they just get a man there, they say now so they do. Hello.
Yeah, we'll get you.
Yeah. So now the thing I put so of 2021.
All right.
You know.
Okay. Thank you very much, my brother.
So, all right.
All right. To go again to another call. Please reduce the volume of the set. Today live now. Your name and inside the call from?
Dalanda, and I call from New Jersey. Sorry, I get cold. Anyway, the question we I want to ask if then get jury na salon, and if they get, because I know can yeri say jury they sit down and I for like any case, I can just yeri say the judge don't give verdict, which I think to say a jury get for day, and then now that jury they go decide if somebody guilty or not.
So that's a very good one. We don't know if this one judge and jury or just judge or magistrate case. But notwithstanding, if even again for go to the case of the jury, the question is how credible the jury they also will be.
Well, in America, so instead of in order for any jury for sit down, both parties get for agree. The defendant and the prosecutor get for accept that jury. They understand if they think to say bias. This go say no, I don't want the jury, and then the jury no go sit down. Both of them get for, agree to that particular person there. Yes.
Okay, good one. We will find out and see what's in the latest on that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Alright, the line still open. You can call and add the voices at the program. Very good question. If this one, they get jury, way for actually handle this particular issue. If this one a judge and jury or a judge alone, like the ACCB always argue for the case of Alpha Timbo. Well, we still wait for see whose side we end up in all of them things there. So if whether a judge nobody will get for sit down in this case, the magistrate alone, and the one the way they go and defend the clients them, or they get for get jury. Welcome to the show, caller. Your name and where you call from?
Hello.
Yes, caller. They're live on the platform.
Yes, good afternoon. This is Fadima. I just listened to my program just now, come across. And I just want to put me on sense by this.
Okay.
We say they have been charged. Long term will be young, they may get one case where they say Mohammed Soifon and 14 others. So maybe that's why they use that say Koita, because nine are the big fish of the bunch and where a lot of people know. So the government get case on them. And I think say because they don't go court, like how you say in the beginning, that the people they don't want to lay chaos then I make they not announce them, then do one later and all that stuff. But you say they get legal representation. So now I just say let we wait, let we see how the process they go. Because we hope for due process, for go right, and for let the courts do well. I remember when they get Palo in case, they kind of charge them, but then the court work. But do we know if the courts are going to work? The question we're too for the push for now, let it get a fair trial. If you break the law, you do something, then say with all reasonable doubt, if doubts there, you must acquit that person. But so the case we don't get that, we don't know the case is. So I just say I think we for wait on the case. It is very important and it's very serious charges against somebody. That we should wait and watch the process, because the process now the problem will how they make them charge how the witness the day uda go life uda go waiting and calling this and that, because we don't see before things happen that are not supposed to happen now we country now we are there. And the scary part is we not get a system we go walk we go say with all reasonable doubt then go find you guilty. Then he lie by you, they not like you. Then he make up story, they not like you. I know they say, I know they defend Koita that he did not do what he did not do, because I know be lady. But the case where they get against, let the state present in case, let we as the citizens see the case and let them make a fair and open trial so that everybody go see they say, okay, now justice and waiting and call. So we just they say let the people them just a little cool down, a little thing. Let we watch and see, and let we hope for the best. And if we see something we not they go right, then we call them out, because he get lawyer them, and the right thing when they do, the lawyers were there. So the lawyer they now they get forfeit for themselves. But the court of public opinion, when I'm me and you and everybody else, I think we must get sentiments inside it, but we just get for waiting and call safe and just calm down a little bit, because that's all I want to add
Thank
to
you.
it. So y'all are doing a good job to keep it up there.
Thank you, brilliant one. Thank you.
Bye bye.
So we still get a few more minutes to go. We can call and add a voice inside the program. This is the program. We are on YouTube and on Facebook. Call now and add a voice. Tell what you think. As government say, then don't charge. And for the first time, then don't appear in a court today. But the court not read any of the charges them because one of the accused people them we na by Mahmoud Node and they say he sick he na the police hospital. But all the other one them, including Koita, we are the biggest fish inside the basket, been dead, and they're actually gonna court today, but they're not able to do anything. So they don't adjourn the case to the 9th of January 2024. Well, the ministry said 2023. Well, we will take a few more calls, and for you, let you add your voice inside the program. We got 10 more minutes to go. Just 10 more minutes to go. 10 more minutes to go. 10 more minutes to go. Call and add your voice inside the program. Libanese Adebayo, welcome to the program.
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Good evening.
How you do, sir?
Yeah, thank you very much for welcoming me. I appreciate.
Okay.
Yeah, so me on contribution for this one we did on this net here. It's a lovely one. I appreciate it and I love it. But the problem is, some people don't come up at the area all the topic. Now Salonu, not to America, Georgia, not to England, not to Holland, not to Belgium. Now Salon, order from above. So I don't know whose lawyer we go watch him attend for defend who that now that. Because I don't think say there is a law in Sierra Leone where you go say, let we come and talk this case here. Transparency, they? If you're not posting with it with pauper, you are free to go. If you're not posting with it, you self we sit on and we sit on here for go salon and you know side they go put we. So let we talk true and tell the people the truth. There is no law in Sierra Leone. Then they do which in they feel for do. You just start like picking the play out in toys, they play out, I say you are the dog inside that room day today. You don't done. You understand?
Yes.
And I appreciate you now. And when I keep it up, and I advise the people them, say, dear Lord, pray to God, let Salon come to one, please. Okay. God bless you all. God bless you. And although not New Year, me know they wish nobody New Year because it's in the pain we all. But God bless you now and keep it up.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right. Go on the line again and take another call. Welcome to the show, caller. You name and who the call from?
Listener, Pastor Philip. I the call from Yams Farm, New York, Waterloo Highway. Even though I did in a street, but I want to make this contribution and I want to let the whole world know. The Bible says in the book of Luke, nothing of the way impossible to God. I tell you now from waiting at the sea in the realm. And I want for assured the people of this country that nobody is able to take any of their life. They will follow the due process and see what God Almighty could do. There is a surprise package for this nation. The mere fact that you able for keep that very Mandy and others. I don't want to mention the name because I didn't street. They're not able to shoot them and kill them at the spot. God don't intervene, and there is a surprise package. Let everybody keep the faith and continue to pray for this land. And for commend now for this program we have to do a lot of sensitization. On our program actually they bring peace to all Sierra Leoneans. So I'm for commend now. Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you. Go on the line again and take another call. Welcome to the show, caller. Your name and inside the call from?
Hello?
Yes, caller. You're live on the platform. Your name and inside the call from?
Mina, back here, the call from United States.
Okay, go ahead.
Make we know the blind who we safe. we all know the government within power now. We all know what they're capable of doing. You know, it's like them people and they made it categorically they tell us Solomon and say they're already there at the net. Now which matter be decide no more now, I decide. All these courts, all these these are all a facade. I just waiting in call. Let me one thing. Sierra Leone, like one woman just talk just now. We new Padima the talk say. You know, no left for the blind fool. We say, hello, no left for the take this matter be a problem. Like say, na play business. Then we all people there. Sierra Leone and what I see the big one there, them big full past the small one there. Salon people there. The big one, the way they out in the old now, so they big fool. The big fool just a boku pa there. Now you don't lead with to this problem who they pay electricity so. The big one and they see something so they buy one back. Now this don't lead we will make get per mother be this problem. Only people are we mother be always do accuse and on this or on that. Would I get for pray for impossible? Let pray for let God pull and if you God know everything they call it they kill and a buff with the left. No, just this no nothing that culture they talk this down all a facade business. Right now would have mother be believe say if you dey against me, you dey not the country, I get rid of you. That's it. The only people that we know able get rid of now certain people that we be say people and still in the eyes and the panel. But no, not just the play, the devil advocacy say, the court is that court nothing you know get for waiting in court. Nothing. The one way they force that mark they force. Now the corporates for MPLC. And the people and landed the whole mother view the anchor and the MPLC then destroy the country. So that man they ain't not check man. Now one guy phone call mother view they call and almost say do this, the one. So me brother no, would I get in family or they pray for her. Mother view might go for killing. Mother view might not get it doesn't like we get fallen in a basket right now so they people.
Thank you very much.
So me am your contribution on it.
Thank you. Alright, I'll take 3 more calls. 3 more calls if you're available. 3 more calls. Tell me what you think about the issue of Koita and the other one them waited on charge. Interestingly, when the biggest part with me all, the government already charges them, but the court not actually really charges them yet. In other words, they don't be thrown and they don't do the work of the court. They don't do the work of the court way done in a contempt of court, but because now government John Permanent to join John rest, so I'm not sure anything will get for happen as far as I'm concerned. They just want for rush and put information, and the court says way now they responsible, the judiciary way now they responsible for pass information and come out professionally for talk say then people don't appear to we, but we not really charges them 8 because all of them not appear. So because of that, we don't adjourn the case to the 9th of January 2024. But the court, the government come out and tell you exactly waiting at the charges them and waiting them feel say they want for tell we. Log on the line and take another call. Welcome to the show. Caller, your name and who's the call from?
Yeah, I largely call from London.
Okay, Alaji, go ahead. Get the platform.
First time anyway. Yeah, it's something like a foregone conclusion. I feel very unfortunate because the victim there, I don't guide it, but the ultimate victim then I wish maybe some people. So like where other people have to talk, we just pray, let God bring sanity to our country. But nothing no good when you see where they happen for the foreseeable future. Unless they change course. But the whole thing is going on to change course. But if they change, you know it's you see, so they're already doing the way. No matter everything they do, then they're in trouble. When we left, go silent we go. You see, coordinate the case government. See, so we just the way let God bring a solution where go really save that country. So, yes.
Thank you very much.
The guy know the change because you know the event. Hopefully one day maybe sanity will prevail. Inshallah. And your contribution. And the first time this for him to get through this time anyway. Thanks so much for the good opening and happy New Year. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Go on the line and take another call. Welcome to the show, caller. Your name and who's the call from?
Yeah, hello.
Yes, caller, you did live. Your name and who's the call from?
Yeah, we are.
Yes, please.
And they call from somewhere.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
something where me about this talk. We the black people we so wicked to we safe. We they kill we safe. We I say wicked. We so wicked to we safe. They know we talk to the white people here, they don't know God. Trust me, they know God pass we. The charity and when they do something with so much love. Look what happened to Macron. Where the man slap him. It's not been Salon. Immediately they don't fire him. We not get one love for we safe. Even when we didn't have people country, there's so much hatred, black people, then we so may God sorry for we pray that justice go come one day for the people of Salon. Okay, my brother, God bless you all, yeah?
Thank you, God bless you too. I'll take 2 more calls if you're available, just 2. If you're available. 2 more calls if you're available. Two more calls. If not, we end the program at this particular point and say thanks to all. We actually don't join me inside the program for make sure say una share, una add on your own voice. For you, we know able to add your voice inside the program, don't call what you need for making through. We still want to say sorry about that, and we appreciate all of our contribution. All right, we get bigger things than way they come up, for una, for there we all discuss. We will actually look for Yeri waiting on a think about we own program for this 2023, where we just done so, and how on a want for Siam 2024 where we don't end up and so. So we will go into that day, but for we do that one day, we will get for giving a big surprise. We get one big surprise for now. We will actually give to now for Leona see say yes. We actually don't work, and we really they work more for now. But now we standing, we've been saying as we share joy, we are swelling for bless other people. I not say at times it's not easy, the difficulty there like everywhere. But we go on for bless other people in lives them inside the country, especially people that we really need them. So we actually get for support as we request the other day. And now we get a fresh target, say from now to the 15. Let me just see. What's the 15 will be? I'll just see quickly. What's the 15 will be? Correct. It will probably be the 14, not the 15. The 14. Yeah, the 14th of this month. We will actually present to the biggest surprise. Before they come up, we get for actually bless other people then. So from now to the 15th, we get actually target for bless some few journalists that we don't stand up, and for bless Sierra Leoneans that we really they in need of things them in the country, especially now that things them really difficult. So what we do? We encourage you for let you support we so that we go able for bless them people them day. So thank you very much. We appreciate your time with me. I'd left you now and until we meet again. My name is Sempe, the freedom fighter. God bless the country Israel, where we call We Are.
This song come up from Madam Sidra to Aminata Kamara from the United States of America. It is dedicated this song to one of the biggest organizations in the world, We Are.
Yeah, made a crack on the mix.
91 big boy Pekin.
It's your double tap, see the ball.
Daily base
091.
Yellow flag team this.
Hallelujah.
Come on.
We are the organization. Don't come for